1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Check this out. There are two components here. There's this ball and a spring. Careful. While you pull this thing out, it's possible that you'll lose one or both of them. So that's why I say do it over a towel or something like that. Do it inside, inside a towel while you open it. And again, on the way back in, have this thing upside down, right? There's not much going on there. And just click. There you go. So, first stage, second stage. First stage, second stage. And I need to clean it up. On the way out, as I said, just pull it out this way. Just have a way to protect it because this thing's going to go all over. Just pull it. Whoa. Okay, that's hard. Okay. Keep it secure. Then check it out. So you might find different forms of damage if your switch wasn't responsive. Maybe one of these side pieces over here broke. This one's right, which will, in turn make it unable to swivel in there. You can almost see the notches in there. I'm sorry the light's not the best right now, but yeah, just take my word for it. Once you're this deep into it, it's kind of point of no return, really. Okay. And all the switches look alike. They'll have, because this one right here is from one of the rear doors. This is what donated it. And this one is the left one, if you can see the part number. And here is the right one. Alright, so this is the one that goes to the passenger side door, the right side. This one's the left side. Honestly, to me, they look alike. Everything, it just all looks alike, and even they're both centered. So I'll remove it and see what the difference is. But as I said, they do look very similar. You could switch them over. How are they gonna know? Pins, same number of pins, same locations. Yeah, what's the difference, really? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this back. And the other thing, having done this, I would recommend you do not even bother. It's cheaper to just buy the whole switch. In reality, what's even cheaper and what's even more efficient is to just get a whole door panel. It's such a pain getting in there. Then you tear your wide insulating pad. I might as well. Uh-oh, this one's not acting normal. Oh, there you go. It was acting weird at that point. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I did not mess with these, but these I messed around with them. So, in the spirit of full disclosure, what could happen during this job? So this one's a safe, right? Not a big problem. This one I messed with it because it was already damaged, but do not use your flathead do not use a screwdriver to try pry this. It's very flimsy, it's going to split. That's what happens. 2, as I said, in the spirit of full disclosure, while trying to pry this thing open for the rear one, it's possible that one of them is going to break. This broke off. I'm pretty sure it's still going to hold itself reasonably, and it did actually, but it's just something to be on the lookout for. So, well, by the way, this is the left one, right? Let's bring the one from the right side and see if it fits in the same spot. I tend to think that they're interchangeable. And why is that important? Basically, you could buy the wrong part, you know, if you find it cheaper, and if you're feeling motivated enough to do all this process, make it work in the other section. In my experience, the front side and the front and front right, front passenger, and rear passenger and driver side, basically all the passenger doors usually kind of use the same unit. Okay, here you go. Then the side. There has to be a better tool than the screwdrivers I'm using over here. There you go. Okay, so this is the one that just came out of there. Let's put it in the other one, since this one's broken. It's easier to deal with it. Okay, suppose it doesn't work. Yeah, there you go. It doesn't work because of this. They're located in different positions. Okay, now we know. No point in trying, right? However, if you felt motivated, you could shave these off, right, and get it to work. Because apart from these, whereby this spot right here accepts this cross thingamajig over here. Okay, good luck. Let me do it this way. Whoa, scary. I'm gonna try this one. Perfect. So here you go. And just like the other ones, you want to remove this thing, just tilt it back. And you want to do it on a surface that's going to catch things, and I'll explain why in a second. So have this ideally upside down.